That is not painted which can remain gray. And with Rob the miniature painter, even these minis will be slayed.
Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be painting Fear of the Unknown. In the Ithaca box, we got the Shantak monsters. We're going to be using only 3 paints: Brigandine Brown, Desert Yellow, and Skeleton Bone. And we're going to start off with a black primer. Yes, it's a color, but the other 3 are just what you're going to need. And you're only going to need a dry brush and a little tiny brush for the last part. Alright, you saw the Ithaca video. If you haven't, that will be popping up at the end. So you take a dry brush, a big large one, and you do a heavy dry brushing here. I'm talking about don't take off too much off your brush. And I'm sorry it was over to the left here. I don't know what happened. I think I hit my camera and it flew over and I hadn't noticed. But anyway, so it's going to be a super easy paint job. I'm not speeding this up at all, so you guys see exactly the time lapse it takes. And you can see I'm hitting my camera here. I'm hitting everything while putting my dry brush on. And the Brigandine Brown just covers up the black, but leaving some of the recessed shadows again there. There are some little harder parts to get to. And the point is that you're going to have a beautiful looking miniature with a very simple paint scheme and a very easy method as well. Now, I know I'm not using speed paints, but it doesn't matter. You can use all sorts of paints on this here. And you can have a lot of fun with it. And it gets all the details you want. And it just gets a miniature out of the way. I mean, you have a ton of gray shames sitting there in all your board games. You want to get through them. This is a very fast and easy way to do it. And Ithaca is just a short video. This is an actual video where I'm doing narration. And again, I want to thank you guys so much, for just supporting this channel and everything you guys have done for me. Anyways, hit that like button and subscribe if you are new, because about 2.8 thousand people checked in my channel and none of you subscribe or watch the videos or whatever. Like, they just, I mean, come on guys, subscribe. It's free. You can join, become a member if you want, but anyways, it is free to subscribe. Alright, the next color we're using here is the Desert Yellow, and you can see I've taken off a lot more off my brush. I'm going very gently, just trying to get most of the raised edges here, because I would not have seen myself take a paint and go over each one of these muscle lines or over the skin. I mean, I could have made this guy really spooky looking and went with the murder scene color and then some blood all over, making it look like he's just muscle. But again, I like following as much as possible the artwork. A lot of people I've seen, they just go with they take their own ideas and go along with it, which is fine too. I like that idea. But I want to show you guys what you can paint just following the artwork, because sometimes trying to come up with your own paint scheme or color scheme takes a little bit more time, and you're trying to figure out, you might get it wrong, you have to restart again. And the point of this channel is to not make things hard for you guys. It's to make it easy and fun for you guys to paint. I want you guys to go through a miniature box or a board game like Cthulhu's Fear of the Unknown, which is Season 3, Season 4. I hope you guys received mine about a week ago. Looking forward to playing these seasons. Love the first 2 seasons. Now I gotta organize these boxes. Anyways, the point is that you open this box, you see all this gray stuff, and you're like, ugh, I would like it to look nice. Let's see if we find someone online. Hey, Rob the miniature painter is on there. Let's take a look at his videos. I'm gonna share these videos with my friends that own the game too, maybe, or share it on my channel, share it on Facebook, share it everywhere, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want to share my videos. Go ahead, have fun, share it. Let's get this channel going. I had a goal of 5,000 subscribers this year. It didn't get anywhere near that. And sometimes it's a little hard to swallow whenever you try and put so much time and effort into these videos. I know, again, I am no super crazy painter. I'm no Squidmar, I'm no Ninjon, I'm no so many people out there are amazing painters. But the point of these videos is that you guys are able to follow along and actually recreate what I've done. I could never recreate what those guys do, and I applaud them for their work because it is amazing. But anyways, already done is the Shantak monster from the Ithaca box. So this guy is going to show up with Ithaca. And anyways, I want to thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all in the next one.